I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset an Apple Watch. First, decide if you want to unpair it from your iPhone or simply erase all content and settings directly on the watch. Unpairing is generally recommended as it creates a backup of your watch's data on your iPhone. This backup can be useful if you plan to restore or set up a new watch later. Make sure your watch has at least 50% battery life before beginning the process. To unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone, open the Watch app on your phone. At the top left, tap All Watches to view your connected devices. Next, tap the small information icon which looks like a circled eye next to the watch you want to unpair. Finally, select Unpair Apple Watch and confirm your choice. You might need to enter your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. If you prefer to erase your Apple Watch directly without your iPhone, open the Settings app on your watch. Scroll down and tap on General, then select Reset. From there, choose Erase all content and settings. You will be asked to confirm your decision and may need to enter your watch's passcode. This action will completely wipe all data from your watch. Once the reset process is complete, your Apple Watch will restart and display the language selection screen, indicating it's ready for a new setup. If you unpaired it, it's now ready to be paired with a new iPhone or repaired with your current one. If you simply erased it, it's ready for a fresh start. Always keep your Apple ID and password accessible for any future pairing or setup needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.